Welcome to day 4. It's time for a powerful tool that I'm going to share with you. I call it the non smoker statement. Now, how it works is before I share that with you, let me share with you. Just give me one. So, here's the screen. Now, have you used nicotine gums or patches or lozenges, vaping, and all that? Let me tell you, I repeat where I started from. Smoking is 90% a mental addiction, and only 10% of it is physical. And you don't need any physical product to get over your cravings. It's actually all mental. What I mean is, what is the logic behind nicotine gums? The logic that is being provided is that when you smoke that cigarette, you smoke apart from nicotine 7,000, 7,500 other hazardous chemicals also. So when you take nicotine gums, you take nicotine minus those chemicals, right? But here is the fact, you smoke that cigarette because of nicotine. If nicotine is removed from cigarette, you are not going to smoke that cigarette. The reason for your addiction is nicotine. And what do you get when you take nicotine gums or patches or all other products? You get nicotine. Then how do you quit nicotine? By taking nicotine. You don't, and that's why they don't work. It's all psychological. 90% of smoking is mental. What you need is you need to work there, and to gain freedom in the conscious brain, I have prepared this tool for you called the non-smoker statement. And how you are, I'm going to share this with you right now, and how you will use that, I'll just which has been sent to you. It has got 2 pages. The first page is my non-smoker statement. The second page is yours. And you have to prepare your second page. So what you have to do is pick up a pen and paper on a fresh white sheet. Write down these 5 lines. So first line, write down on top of it non-smoker statement. Then the first line is I am a non-smoker. The second line you have to write down your why to quit smoking. What is your reason to quit smoking? Write down your why in clear terms in 4 lines as you. So you have to write down your why to quit smoking as to why you want to quit smoking. All right. Then third line will remain as it is, fourth will remain as it is, fifth will remain as it is. Here at the blank space in the fifth line, what you have to do is you have to write a name of a friend who would be surprised to see you become a non-smoker, who would ask you the secret that how you did it. It can be a colleague or a friend who is also a smoker along with you, or from your past life, or anybody you consider who would be surprised to see you become a non-smoker. So preferably a chain smoker friend from your current life or from your past. You write down that name here. So what you have done, let me summarize for this non-smoker statement. What you have done is you, on a fresh sheet of white paper, pick up that and write down all these 5 lines. Or you can do it, for example, on your computer and then write that down in a Word file and take a printout. So the first line will remain as it is, I am a non-smoker. Second line, you have to write down your why to quit smoking. Third line as it is, fourth line as it is, fifth line as it is, and here you write the name of your friend who is a chain smoker. Now, once you have done it, take a printout of this and then take an image. Click an image of the same in your phone. So what you have to do is you have to read this non-smoker statement every time from now on before smoking that cigarette. So every time you have that craving, what you have to do is you have to read this non-smoker statement 3 times, and then you can go ahead and smoke that cigarette. But you're not smoking that cigarette without reading this non-smoker statement. So your task is, you have clicked a photo of this so that it is there in your phone. It is always available to you wherever you go. Your phone is there with you whenever you feel like smoking. First, read this non-smoker statement 3 times, and then you can decide to smoke or not smoke that cigarette. And you have to do it continuously, and then we will review it tomorrow in the live session. The session tomorrow is only live, there is no recordings for that. So you can come with your questions. We'll have a Q&A session. We will have and we will review what we have done in these 4 days, and I'll also share with you there how you can gain your freedom in the subconscious brain too in the next 11 days. So now your job is that you prepare this non-smoker statement, use it for every craving, and then I see you tomorrow at the live session at 8 p.m. You will get the Zoom link for the same by the message. It will be communicated to you. Have a great day ahead and see you tomorrow.